everybody. Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a channel that is all about roller skating. I have reviews, tutorials, roller skating lifestyle videos. So if you are learning how to roller skate, or if you are a seasoned pro, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Tuesday and go live every Sunday. Now, today I have something so exciting to tell you about. I have been waiting to tell you about this exciting news for the last month. I've been so amped up about it. So here we go. Drum roll, please. Me and Moxi roller skates are about to give away 10 pairs of roller skates. 10 of the Rainbow Riders. What? Giveaway time! I know that y'all were super excited when we dropped the Rainbow Riders yesterday, but now you have even more reason to get pumped because this competition is about to go down. So here are the deets. Grab your friends, grab all your skate buddies, and gather around, my children, because this is how to win some Rainbow Rider roller skates. Like these. So here's how you enter this competition. Step number 1, subscribe to Queer Girl Straight Skates YouTube. Step number 2, subscribe to Moxi Roller Skates YouTube. Step number 3, follow Queer Girl Straight Skates on Instagram. Step number 4, follow Moxi Roller Skates on Instagram. Don't worry, all of these steps are in the description bar. You don't have to take notes. I've already written it out for you. Don't stress. Okay, now here comes the super fun part that I'm just way too excited about. We are having a runway walk competition. That's right. Step 5 of this participation in this giveaway to potentially win one of the 10 pairs of roller skates is to get dressed up in your most extra, your most fantastic, your most I feel like myself and I look good outfit, and you are going to record a runway strut. And you can do this either on skates or off skates. So if you don't have roller skates, that's totally fine. You can still participate in this competition. If you do have roller skates, I highly encourage you to start skating down the street, down the crosswalk, down your driveway, down wherever you want in your most fantastic outfit that makes you feel the most you and the most wonderful. Record yourself. You're going to record your submission or have your friend record it for you in landscape mode, not portrait mode, which means your phone needs to be sideways. Think Instagram, think YouTube, don't think TikTok or Instagram stories. So once you have recorded that, you are going to submit a 8 to 13 second long submission. So it is super short. Is really short. It's meant to be the best of all you can have and just throw it all out there on the strut walk. Is that what it's called? A strut walk? On the catwalk? Yes. Just leave it all out there. Strut your way down your own personal catwalk. So once you have your friend, your partner, your family member record you, you are gonna cut down that recording to 8 to 13 seconds, and that's what you are going to submit to the link below. So it's very important to realize that I am not talking about the strut walk, the roller skate move. You can do whatever moves you want. You can just walk. You can just skate with attitude. If you want to do a cartwheel down your own personal runway, go ahead and do it. If you want to crawl like you are pretending like you are in a music video, then have at it. If you want to do whatever you feel is the most amazing and the most show-stopping, that's what I want to do. Because guess what? This contest is 20 days long, which means you have 20 days to get your competition ready performance, and then you are going to have your video. You're going to submit it at the link below. You are going to fill out all the questions that are attached to that link, and then what's going to happen is in 20 days, I am going to pick in coordination with my Moxi collaborators, we are going to pick 25 top performances. And then guess what? You all are going to vote out of those top 25, the top 10, the people who win the Rainbow Rider roller skates are going to be voted by you. So you have the power to choose who wins this Rainbow Rider Runway competition. All I'm saying is you should probably get stoked because it's gonna be awesome. Here are some things to note. One, you're not going to get more points or less points if you don't own roller skates. So don't be worried that you are less likely to be chosen or more likely to be chosen just because you have or don't have roller skates. What we are judging on is how truly fantastic and how it seems that you are in your video. 2, you can get extra bonus points by posting your 8 to 13 second video on your Instagram feed and hashtagging Rainbow Rider Runway and tagging me in it, Queer Girl Straight Skates, your friendly neighborhood person wearing fringe. And 3rd and finally, remember that this is supposed to be fun. I want you to go outside and have a blast recording this and submitting it. I can't wait to see all of your submissions. I can't wait to give away 10 pairs of skates. When was the last time someone gave away 10 pairs of skates? I'm so excited. And it's all starting 3, 2, 1, now.